Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bisque soup. Start by gathering ingredients and prepping aromatics, shells, or tomatoes, and measuring stock and cream. Keep heat low to prevent curdling and simmer gently to pull maximum flavor into the stock. Blend until very smooth, strain carefully, return to the pot, fold in cream, adjust seasoning, and serve warm with a garnish that complements the bisque. Gather ingredients and prep carefully to save time and deepen flavor. Chop aromatics uniformly, reserve shells for stock, and measure cream and stock before you start. Roast tomatoes or shells to intensify taste when possible, then simmer gently for 20 to 30 minutes to extract maximum flavor. Strain thoroughly, blend until silky, and finish by adjusting seasoning and acid so the bisque feels balanced, and slow, gentle cooking is the secret to a smooth bisque. Sweat onions and garlic without browning, deglaze with white wine or stock, then add roasted shells or vegetables. Simmer at low heat for 25 to 40 minutes to concentrate flavor, then cool slightly before blending to protect your blender. Strain through a fine sieve, return to the pot, incorporate cream, rewarm gently, and adjust seasoning to taste before serving. Garnish with herbs and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.